If you're 18 years old and think making $100 a day is impossible, think again. You don't need rich parents. You don't need thousands of dollars. And you definitely don't need to get lucky. What you do need is one skill, consistency, and the willingness to put in the work. In this video, I'll show you 7 realistic ways an 18-year-old can start earning up to $100 a day. These aren't get-rich-quick tricks. They're real methods that people use every day. Let's get started. Method 1. Freelancing. One of the fastest ways to make money online is freelancing. If you can edit videos, design thumbnails, write articles, translate languages, or even manage social media, people are willing to pay for those skills. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect freelancers with clients from around the world. When you're starting, you might earn $20 to $30 for a small project. As your reviews improve, you can charge $100 or more for a single job. The key is choosing one skill and getting better every week. Method 2. Video editing. Video content is growing faster than ever. Thousands of YouTubers, businesses, and creators need editors. If you learn software like CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Premiere Pro, you can start editing simple videos. Many beginner editors charge between $30 and $100 per video. With just 2 or 3 clients, making $100 a day becomes realistic. Method 3. Selling digital products. Digital products don't require inventory. You can create planners, templates, Notion dashboards, resumes, or budgeting spreadsheets. Once you create them, you can sell them repeatedly. One product can generate income many times without extra work. This takes effort upfront, but it can become a great source of passive income. Method 4. Tutoring. Are you good at math, English, science, or another subject? Many parents are willing to pay for tutoring. You can teach online or in person. Charging $25 per hour means only for hours of tutoring could bring in around $100 in a day. Method 5. Local services. Not every opportunity is online. Many people pay for services like lawn mowing, car washing, dog walking, house cleaning, furniture assembly. If you charge $50 for a service, completing the jobs in a day gets you close to $100. Sometimes the best opportunities are right in your neighborhood. Method 6. Print on demand. Print on demand lets you sell t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or phone cases without keeping inventory. When someone buys your design, a supplier prints and ships the product. You focus on creating attractive designs and marketing them. While it won't make money overnight, it can become another steady income stream over time. Method 7. Content creation. Creating content is one of the best long-term opportunities. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok account, or Instagram page around a topic you enjoy. At first, you may earn nothing, but as your audience grows, you can earn through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Many successful creators started at 18 or even younger. The truth about making $100 a day. Here's something most videos won't tell you. Making $100 every day isn't guaranteed. Some days you'll earn nothing. Some days you'll earn much more. Success depends on your skills, consistency, demand for your work, and how much effort you put in. There is no magic app. There is no secret website. Real income comes from providing real value. Final advice: if I were 18 today, I wouldn't try 10 different ways to make money. I pick one valuable skill, practice it every day, build a portfolio, and improve consistently. Remember this: skills create income. Experience creates confidence. Consistency creates wealth. Your first goal isn't becoming rich overnight. Your first goal is earning your first $100. Once you can do that consistently, the next $1,000 becomes much easier. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more videos on money, finance, and self-improvement. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.